Now what we're going to do is to take a second ribbon to add some color to the first ribbon. It'll add a little pizzazz to the basket. Take our glue dot, put it over here. And now what we're going to do, we do not want to just take it and put it on the same place as we just put the first organza ribbon. So we take it, and I told you that we were going to leave some spaces. Now we're going to fill in the spaces with this second organza ribbon. And we're just going to keep going around and around. We're going to keep putting it on. Again, we don't want to do it too loose. We don't want to do it too tight. There's nothing that has to be perfect about this. It's an art. It just adds to the beauty of the basket. Okay, we're just going to keep turning it and turning it. And you see already it's adding a very pretty color to the basket. It's giving it a little bit more life. We get to the bottom. We take a glue dot. We're going to secure it. Very funny. We're going to secure it over here. We could let the bottom of this hang down a little bit if we want, or we can choose to cut it. Either way, I'm going to choose to cut it for this basket. Some baskets it might look nicer to let it hang down, but here we're going to cut it. We're going to cover this up so that we don't see it. And there we have our basket.